I've taken a massive risk with £400 on buying this second-hand 2005 Subaru Impreza non-turbo. Have I made the right call? Stay tuned. With over 150,000 miles on her, can we revive this Impreza to make her look good in the modern? As soon as we got the car on the ramp, as you can see, she's rusty, and this is just a small part of the rot that we've got to fix. Can we get it back on the road in 7 days, or is this car just beyond repair? So decided to send a letter to the previous owner, as when we got the car, we only had one key and limited information on the car's history. So going back through all of this is going to take me a little while. The service book itself only goes up to 2008, but there's paperwork in here for the cam belt. Now that's really key, because this was actually changed in 2018, so the service interval could mean that it actually needs replacing now. So we need to speak to Subaru and find out belts, discs and pads, spark plugs, oil and filter, and the gearbox oil as well, totaling back in 2018 to £984. That's a hefty bill. Also going through here and that as well, there's a few odd looking handwritten receipts as well, but that still shows they've had a good bit of work done to them as well. Now funnily enough, looking back through this paperwork, actually the owner sold this car in 2018 after spending £984.26, but they sold it for £1,500. That's crazy. Spending that much money on it. New battery, again, when was that? 2018. Looks like it stops. All the history in this pile at least seems to have stopped. So we definitely need to give it a good service. We're going to be doing the brakes, as you can see. So here we go. So looking back through this paperwork, in 2020, it had a thermostat radiator stop leak and repair to the thermostat housing and replacing the thermostat in labour in 2020. So that gives us maybe that might give us a bit more indication on why we've got a coolant leak, because that's one of the reasons why we got this car so cheap, as it had a coolant leak as well. So what else has it had in here? 2019 shock absorber, polished headlights, and the labour on top. I think this is more like a small garage sort of invoice for it as well. And then it's also had in 2019 suspension arm as well. So clearly had some love over the time, but like with all old cars, they do suffer with corrosion and the like. So a massive thank you for everyone who watched this week's episode. We hope you really enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and also stay tuned for next Sunday when we'll be revealing a bit more from what we've done over this week come in on the other Subaru Impreza. Thanks.